Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaB. Today I'm going to show you guys how I apply my Polygel. I came back to that Gershion, y'all, because I really like it. So what I did first was I used my drill on the lowest speed. I used a fine sanding bit and I just got rid of that cuticle skin area and just roughed up my nails very lightly because y'all know I like to keep my real nails, pretty healthy. So I lightly scuffed them up a little bit just so that way the nails have something to stick with. And I decided to use a nail form today, so I applied the base gel, cured for 30 seconds, and then I came in with this Polygel. So I used the white, nothing fancy this time, but I just had to come back, y'all, because I was really liking this Polygel. So y'all I'm back on my Polygel train. So the next few videos will definitely be more Polygel. So I hope this video helps you guys. I tried to slow it down and do it in real time for you guys so you can see how I apply my Polygel. As many of you know, I just kind of form the shape and then I come back and build my apex after I cure the first layer because it's just easier for me that way. So do it how you please, but that works for me. But if you made it this far in my video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.
Tick, 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 tick.